Hi everybody, I just finished my training. Now it's too sunny. Okay, I have something that I would like to say to you, not to share to you. I would like to say at first thank you because of your trust and your passion with my English, and yes, and to be always there to support me with really great and nice hearts and words and like and whatever. Yes, this it was pretty important because when you are insecure and pretty unstable, yes, have the support of others is important in this step of the journey. Right now, I feel the need to change something because I need to slow down with my training. Also because training Gulung Kung Fu requires to me to stay really in standing a lot of time. So for this moment, I need to root myself really, so I don't have too much to share with you, okay, in this period. So what I would really like that we can do is this: trying to go all the way. It's not about wushu. I speak about Kung Fu because I learned this from Shaolin Temple Europe, but really Kung Fu means a lot of things. Means just one thing, but is apply. Sorry. We can apply this concept of refinement of refined work to everything in our life. So trying to go all the way is an aspiration to not give up. Just for one time in my life or in your life, we try to not give up and study until the end of our days right now in this life. Not because we have to achieve some goals, so I'm engaged myself until this point. No, we can do our best. This is the point. So okay, before I start to think so much, I would like to ask you this: if you have some experience or jobs or aspirations or something that you want, my hand is tired, sorry, something that you would like to share with others, your personal experience that could give to you some particular teaching or strength, and you think that is valuable to share with others, not just in Kung Fu, Shaolin Kung Fu training, no, and whatever is your field, your ability, your skill, okay, so your personal experience too, because people, we share a lot of same experiences, same thoughts, same patterns, and in this moment of internationalization and globalization is okay is where the information goes quickly and fast from one side to other of this world. we really tend to do the same path, make same mistakes, and think about something that we just hear or listen or watch on YouTube, for example. So the point that I want to say is we can help others, okay? Everybody. So please feel free to put in contact with me. Write me an email or send me some comments. You can find me on Facebook, in direct messages, in Instagram. I'm there, not too much, but I'm there. And yes, we'll speak also about social network because it's really important. So I would like that this channel starts to open his range, okay, because I can reach just some kind of persons, but maybe you that has different age or different sex or different color of skin, you know, whatever, you can reach other people. So these important, really important messages of trying to go all the way in skillfulness, in self-cultivation for others, not just for your own benefit, but for others. Yes, I will really like that you help me to give rise to this project. I have to take one English course, of course, when I don't know when, in my 25 hours. So I wait for you. Thank you.